We shall see. Yeah, it's good. I just I'm gonna get a kit plus and put my own stuff in it, but I have that, the F-22 and the F-4 that I want to get. But no place for them.
Take off
flaps. I like taking off right in front. I always go down at the end.
China cleared.
Yeah.
Gear up. Flaps up.
I'm not, boys. I don't care.
No gyro in there.
Yeah, there is.
Oh, there is. I'm surprised the wings were still dancing.
It does a little, well, I mean, it's barely on. I have it on just to stabilize it a little bit. It doesn't really need it.
Put all my gyros in the variable slider.
Yeah, I have it on the knob. So I just cranked it up a little bit.
My big F-18 gyro went full.
Oh, really?
Then when I was going 210 miles an hour,
Shit.
I just immediately, I won't even let it do that because I think that'll
It'll probably tear it apart.
destroy the structure.
Yeah. It's hard on the servos.
Yeah, it's slight gyro. Barely move it off center.
Mm-hmm.
But then on that,
No, go ahead. I got plenty of time. I think I'm liking this battery. I didn't break it in, number one, but
it's not fast enough.
it just doesn't have enough punch. Normally it would just keep going. Chase after Bob. Whoa. Whoa.
Chase after,
Not into him, sheesh.
And all these Hawks, the gear doors hang down.
They do. Mine were better for a little bit, but they've gotten weird again. I'll let them do the same right behind you, Bob.
Seconds.
Hello, bird.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
What the hell? What is that?
I can put audio on my radio.
I'm following you, Bob.
That was fun. That was so cool.
The wind's getting better.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm landing.
Gear down. Landing flaps. 1 minute over.
Whoa! Yeah, that battery's too light.
Flaps up.
Alright, you clear, Bob. Oh.